For those of you using Twilio like I am, where I use these numbers for not just sending text messages, but also for communicating with clients, it's helpful when they text the number back to be able to see what they say and even follow up and respond to that number without having to use a personal cell phone. So I'm going to show you how to do that here in Twilio. You're basically going to, in your dashboard, open up the functions, which you can do by typing in functions in the jump to area up here. And then you're going to visit services on the left, and you're going to create a new service. Now, what you're going to name this function is /forward-SMS, and essentially copy and paste everything you see here, which I will include in this video, just like it is. And the only thing you have to do is change out the your number portion. Make sure the format follows your country code. So in my case, it's US +1, followed by your number. And the number you're going to enter here is going to be the number that you want the text messages forwarded to. And it's also going to be the number that when you respond to these messages, it's going to send from, basically it's going to allow you to respond from this number, but it's going to send the message as your Twilio number. So once you have this saved and you click deploy all, the only other thing you need to do is assign this function to your forward text message function. So what we're going to do here is go back to the account dashboard, and under the phone numbers manage area, choose your active numbers, find the phone number that you're wanting to enable this for, scroll down to the messaging configuration, and for the messaging service, you're going to choose this option here where it says a message comes in, choose the function. The service will be the probably only service you have. If you have others, just give it a name so you can identify it. And then the environment is the UI, and the function path is forward SMS. Click Save Configuration, and it will be all set. So now let me show you what happens here, just to give you an example. If a customer texts this business number, it's going to forward. So if text comes in, it's going to forward this number to your to whatever number you've entered on that previous function screen. So I'm just going to call this admin number. Now, if you want to respond to this text message, all you need to do is send a text from that same admin number. So send from admin number. Again, this could be your personal cell phone number, whatever you've assigned on that previous function. Just make sure you're sending it from that same device number. And the way you're going to format the number is actually by doing the phone number you're sending the text to. So let's say the phone number is 555-322-1110, followed by a colon, and then this is your message here. Now, the nice thing about this function is it's also going to forward your MMS. So if a client sends a photo, it's going to forward that along. And if you want to send a photo, you'll just use the same format here and you'll attach the image. If you don't want to send a message, then you can just do the colon and attach the image directly. But basically, when you send this message here, the client is going to receive just this portion, or the image if you attached a photo. So that's how you do it. Super easy way to have a bunch of different numbers and have them configured to go to one place, but also be able to communicate with your clients professionally and have it show up from your business numbers. Hope this helps.